Now let us discuss a case study on biggest challenge in semiconductor industries.
Introduction. The semiconductor industry faces the challenges and opportunities of increased product demand in the immediate future. The growth of artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things and the ongoing demands from the smartphone sector and the other high tech industries will place stress on the semiconductor supply chain. The challenge will be further complicated by ongoing international trade disputes, which may drive up the cost of semiconductor material and interface with global collaboration within the industry. New solutions are needed to face these demands. Recycling semiconductor materials at device end of life continues to prove difficult, as does the need to produce semiconductor devices using more sustainable processes to reduce emissions of toxic pollutants during the manufacturing process. Problem statement. What is the main challenge to automating processes in the semiconductor industry? Semiconductor automation systems must be able to control wafer fabrication throughout its many steps, which must continuously change in the face of evolving demands placed on semiconductor themselves. This puts pressure on the automation systems to continually tune the fabrication process and its many types. Semiconductor manufacturers mustn't stop investing in human and AI oversight to make sure their automation frameworks stay on top of tuning favor fabrication and other processes. In other words, automation is a must, but it comes with a price tag attached not only to retrofitting facilities for automated processes but also to keep through processing working. Which of the following are the challenges that the semiconductor subsector is facing? Image result for biggest challenge in the semiconductor industry's case study. The following are identified as 5 top challenges the semiconductor supply chain is fault with: data latency, customer specific needs, front end built output needs added manufacturing steps. FE cycle times are much quicker than BE cycle times, restricted end to end supply chain visibility and planning.
Let's see how to overcome the existing problem. Semiconductor shortages and the supply chain failures related to them have been in the news for months. Now, even people once unaware of semiconductor manufacturing challenges are likely to know a little about those issues. But knowing about or understanding those problems is not enough. There must be some effort to resolve them. These are some of the obstacles interfering with uninterrupted production. Time, resources for new factories. Some people wonder why the solution is not simply to build new operations for producing semiconductors. That is one option, but it is not a quick fix. Nina Turner of market intelligence firm IDC said chip factory construction happens on a 5-year timeline. It also takes a minimum of $10 billion to build a new chip manufacturing plant. Even if the investors and regulators agree to proceed to install new capacity, problems may vary, prevent construction from completing as expected. Intel will build two semiconductor factories in Ohio. However, the project requires 7,000 workers during an ongoing labor shortage. Many of the people who may otherwise be available are already working on the other projects in the area. Those include a biomanufacturing plant, a medical center addition, a hotel, and 3 data centers. Officials associated with the Ohio's labor market say there are not enough additional workers to take on the internal project. Even so, the early phases of construction are underway, but it is too soon to know whether delays might occur later. Semiconductor factory construction also can be slowed by unexpected regulatory issues not directly within the developer's control. That is the case of Woolspeed, a woman trying to build a new chip plant in North Carolina. Numerous violations at the area's wastewater plant caused officials to issue a moratorium to prevent all new sewer connections temporarily. That is critical because wastewater processing is a significant part of semiconductor production.
result improving competitiveness. The ability to make parts at lowest cost of course yields higher profits and greater competitiveness. Through improved profitability, organizations can invest in people's new technology and other worthwhile endeavors that create cyclical returns and results. Enhancing throughput and our revenue. Being able to make more parts in less time is a key here. Actually, the ability to improve speed across organization allows more to be done in less times. More customer can contact through marketing and social media. More codes in less times. More parts in less times, etc. All of this can contribute to fantastic revenue gains.
Thank you.